The 2025 Honda RC213V-S is an engineering marvel, a street-legal MotoGP-inspired motorcycle that carries the DNA of Honda's championship-winning RC213V. Built for riders who demand the pinnacle of performance, precision, and exclusivity, the RC213V-S is a technological tour de force that showcases Honda's commitment to pushing the boundaries of motorcycle design. This article explores the 2025 RC213V-S in detail, covering its design, engine, aerodynamics, electronics, and the riding experience. At first glance, the RC213V-S exudes an aggressive yet elegant presence. Its sleek, aerodynamic fairing, sculpted for minimal drag and maximum downforce, is a direct descendant of the RC213V's racing bodywork. Every component has been carefully engineered to enhance performance while ensuring compliance with street regulations. Honda has integrated carbon fiber extensively throughout the body, reducing weight while maintaining structural integrity. The exposed aluminum frame, crafted with aerospace-grade precision, reflects Honda's attention to detail. The aerodynamics have been refined with new winglets inspired by MotoGP developments, offering improved stability and enhanced cornering capability at high speeds. The heart of the RC213V-S is its high-performance 999cc V4 engine, derived directly from the MotoGP RC213V race bike. Unlike conventional superbikes, this powerplant is engineered for extreme precision, boasting titanium connecting rods, lightweight forged pistons, and a seamless shift gearbox. In its standard configuration, the RC213V-S delivers around 215 horsepower, but with the optional race kit, it can exceed 230 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful street-legal motorcycles ever built. The engine's response is razor-sharp, with an explosive power band that rewards experienced riders with exhilarating acceleration. A hallmark of the RC213V-S is its electronics package, which incorporates state-of-the-art rider aids derived from MotoGP. The ride-by-wire throttle system ensures precise power delivery, while multiple riding modes allow for customization based on rider preference and road conditions. The bike features a cutting-edge traction control system, adjustable engine braking, and wheelie control, providing riders with an optimal balance of performance and safety. The quick shifter with auto blip enhances gear changes, ensuring seamless transitions even under heavy acceleration. Additionally, Honda has introduced a new launch control system, giving riders the ability to unleash maximum acceleration from a standstill, similar to MotoGP race starts. Suspension and chassis development play a crucial role in the RC213V-S's handling capabilities. The motorcycle is equipped with Öhlins NPX25/30 front forks and a TTX36 rear shock, both of which are fully adjustable. This suspension setup, developed with direct input from Honda's MotoGP team, offers an unmatched level of feedback and control. The lightweight aluminum twin spar frame is engineered for maximum rigidity while maintaining agility, ensuring precise handling through tight corners and high-speed straights. The bike's swing arm, also derived from MotoGP, contributes to superior rear-wheel traction and stability under acceleration. Braking performance is handled by Brembo GP4RX radial-mounted calipers gripping 330mm carbon ceramic discs at the front, ensuring exceptional stopping power. The rear features a high-performance Brembo 2-piston caliper with a 220mm disc. The inclusion of cornering ABS enhances safety without compromising performance, allowing riders to push the limits with confidence. The lightweight magnesium wheels, wrapped in Michelin Power GP tires, provide excellent grip and stability, further enhancing the bike's performance on both road and track. One of the standout aspects of the RC213V-S is its aerodynamic innovation. Honda has refined the aerodynamics using advanced wind tunnel testing, ensuring optimal airflow management. The addition of carbon fiber winglets not only improves high-speed stability but also generates increased downforce, keeping the front wheel planted under heavy acceleration. The bike's bodywork is designed to channel air efficiently, reducing drag while enhancing cooling for the high-revving V4 engine. The underslung exhaust system, crafted from titanium, aids in weight distribution while producing a raw, race-inspired exhaust note. The RC213V-S's cockpit is a testament to its racing pedigree. The full-color TFT display, inspired by MotoGP dashboards, provides real-time telemetry, including lap times, lean angles, brake pressure, and G-force data. The handlebars and switchgear are designed for intuitive operation, allowing riders to make on-the-fly adjustments to traction control, power delivery, and suspension settings. The racing-style seat, crafted from Alcantara, ensures rider comfort while maintaining an aggressive riding position. The minimalist approach to the cockpit reinforces the bike's track-focused ethos while ensuring a seamless blend of form and function. Honda has ensured that the RC213V-S remains an exclusive masterpiece, with limited production numbers making it a sought-after collector's item. Each unit is meticulously hand-assembled at Honda's Kumamoto factory, undergoing rigorous quality control to maintain the highest standards. The use of premium materials, including carbon fiber, titanium, and magnesium, ensures that every component contributes to performance and durability. The race kit option includes a performance ECU, revised air intake, and a free-flow titanium exhaust, unlocking the bike's full potential and transforming it into an uncompromising track weapon. The riding experience on the RC213V-S is nothing short of breathtaking. From the moment the engine comes to life, the V4's intoxicating roar sets the tone for an adrenaline-fueled ride. The throttle response is immediate, delivering power seamlessly throughout the rev range. The lightweight chassis, combined with the refined suspension setup, makes cornering effortless, allowing riders to carve through turns with surgical precision. Whether on the road or the racetrack, the RC213V-S provides an unparalleled level of engagement, rewarding skilled riders with a visceral connection to the machine. In terms of competition, the RC213V-S stands in a league of its own. While other manufacturers have developed high-performance superbikes, few can match the racing DNA and exclusivity that the Honda RC213V-S offers. Comparisons can be drawn to the Ducati Superleggera V4, Kawasaki Ninja H2R, and BMW M1000RR, but Honda's approach remains unique in its pursuit of creating a MotoGP experience for the streets. The RC213V-S is not just about outright speed, it is about delivering a precision-engineered machine that embodies the pinnacle of motorcycle technology. The ownership experience of the RC213V-S is as exclusive as the bike itself. Honda offers a VIP ownership program, providing buyers with access to specialized training sessions, track days, and direct support from Honda engineers. Maintenance of such a high-performance machine requires specialized expertise, and Honda ensures that only certified technicians handle the servicing of these motorcycles. Owners are also given access to limited edition merchandise and exclusive MotoGP events, further strengthening their connection to Honda's racing legacy. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda RC213V-S is a masterpiece of engineering, a motorcycle that bridges the gap between MotoGP and street riding in an unprecedented manner. Its V4 engine, cutting-edge electronics, aerodynamic enhancements, and premium materials make it one of the most exhilarating motorcycles ever built. Honda's commitment to performance, exclusivity, and technological innovation is evident in every aspect of this machine. For those fortunate enough to own one, the RC213V-S is more than just a motorcycle, it is a statement of Honda's racing heritage and an invitation to experience MotoGP performance on the open road.